I can't believe it ended like this. Don't worry, I'll fix you. My beautiful car. We had so many memories together. I can't believe it ended like this. The smell of the leather, the sound of the engine. It feels like yesterday. The damage is significant, as you can see, but it is a Ferrari.
Yes, but the cost to repair this bumper alone will be substantial.
The fire clearly started here in the engine bay.
The wiring harness is completely melted.
We should start with a full thermal scan.
And lift, nice and steady.
I have the left side secure.
Right side is good. Let's head over to the bench now.
Okay, the last bolt is loose. This carpet is completely fused.
Careful lifting it out, it's heavy despite the fire.
Right here. Just a small adjustment on this edge. We need it absolutely perfect before the next pass.
The tape needs to be smooth right here.
Wiping down the last section now.
Looks good for the primer.
This surface is almost perfect.
Just a little more right here.
The reflection is stunning. The coverage looks much better now.
Yes, the gloss is building nicely.
Keep that pace steady.
Okay, easy now. Make sure it's centered.
It's on. I'll hold it steady.
Good. Starting the torque sequence.
Easy on the pressure, mind the clearance.
It's sitting flush now.
Check the upper clips before fastening. Careful now, it slides right in here. Perfect alignment. Hand me the torque tool.
All tight, the line is connected properly.
Let me check the connection point. Yes, perfectly flush.
Looks factory standard. Well done. Carefully now, the bushing slides right in.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now the bolt.
Just a little more.
Perfect, we are good to go.
A team is currently performing static mechanical checks on the Ferrari. We are ensuring all connections are secure before we attempt to start the engine.
Okay, gently now, making sure the alignment is perfect.
Yes, it looks absolutely pristine against the black paint.
I've got the rear trim secured.
Looks flush. Yeah.
The mirror is aligned perfectly now. Just need to cycle it once.
This side is flawless now.
Check the intake. Just a little spot.
Got it. Perfect.
All systems check out. Enjoy the drive.
Thank you. The interior is stunning.
She handles beautifully at low speed. The leather looks immaculate. No dust on the front intakes either. The tire pressure is perfect.
Fender alignment is precise. No swirl marks on the paint.
Everything looks good back here.